Hello again. Here I am with you today. I am going to pull the fuel pump out of my 2000 Chevy Tracker. Yes, it's a little rough for wear, but that is all going to get fixed up this summer and I'm going to start driving it. So right now though, I got to get the fuel pump out. I already put new tires on, painted up the rims. She looks nice. She's a nice little tracker. I did a lot of work to her that I didn't put on camera, but I will be bringing you videos of it now from now on, so I can put them up on my channel and document what I'm doing to this. It will be my four-wheel drive vehicle of choice, and that's good. I do still have the Ford Freestyle, but I will also have to fix that one up. But this one will be an off-road vehicle, and it's got a hitch on it, which is really good. I got this vehicle from my brother-in-law, who had it sitting in his backyard for a couple of years, and it kind of rusted out, but I have new quarters for it, I have new rocker panels for it, and I'll fix all this quarter panel stuff up in rust, but it's actually in really good shape. But the fuel pump quit on me this fall, and I must get the fuel pump out. I already changed the fuel pump last summer, but the new one I put in quit too. I checked the wiring and everything is good, and I do get a signal with the test light to the pump, but I get no fuel pump coming on. So I'm going to pull her out and see what's wrong. So there it is. I cut a hole back here. I found this was probably the easiest way to do a fuel pump change. I did this, last summer when I had to change out the pump the first time. And it worked great. And I just have a cover that fits on here. The cover I took off. I didn't weld it back in or anything, but I did place it here. I put it in the garage now, but I'm not driving it, so I didn't weld it up or make sure it was all. I was going to use some sort of lap sealant on it or tack sealant to seal it up. But yeah, it just makes it easier to do it in the back of the vehicle here, and then it can be taken off easy again. Oh, come on, this could be ornery. Yeah, I knew it was going to be tough getting those hoses off. Come on. Why? Alright, I think this is going to take a two-hander to do this, so I'll get back to you in a second. Alright, got everything out of the way. Hose is off. Unhooked all the wiring. Now I can take care of the the bolts. I already took one bolt out. Excuse me. Only got one hand. Still waiting on my camera holder so I can do things without having to. Nope, need the extension. Okay. Need the extension. And there we go. Put that on there. Get the socket on. There we go. Awfully long extension, but it should work. Yes, it does. There we go. Working out just fine so far. Let go. Let go. That's working out. And the last one. And there we go. And that is pretty simple on a 2000. I don't know if it's the same for all of them, but now, can I get this out with one hand? I'm not sure. It's, there we go. And I seem to remember this was kind of ornery to take out here. There we go, and a twist. Twist. there we go. She's out. Well, gas still looks good. I put enough gas in it. This pump just never wanted to turn on again. Well, I'll be checking that out for sure. Put that in my pail there. Now I want to stuff the hole with something here. So I just got a nice towel here. There we go, to stop dirt and debris from getting in. And now I will be taking that apart, hopefully, checking to see why it's not running, and probably having to buy another pump. That pump was cheap, Rockauto. I think I got it for like 12 bucks. I think I ran the Chevy here Tracker off of it probably 3 times. So let's see, 3 times 12, that's 4. So $4 each time I start it. This time I will buy a much more reliable pump, I hope. Okay, well, that'll do her for now until I can get this thing apart and see if I can get her working again. Well, thanks for watching.